Alright, because this tub came with the overflow and the drain already assembled, which is super convenient. And then it had this flexible corrugated clear plastic pipe attached to the drain. And you have to figure out how to get this to adapt to the house ABS pipe. And I got a white 1-inch PVC pipe with a 45-degree elbow, and you can see a clamp, and that seemed to fit nice and tight. And now we'll go over to the house drain. And there's the 1.5-inch ABS P-trap, and I've taken a Fernco coupling 1.5 inch here that goes down to 1.25 inch, which fits the outside diameter of the PVS 45-degree elbow. So once I put the tub in, I'll go in from underneath the house, and I'll just slide that into that opening and then tighten this, and we're good to go.